Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you were just saying this phrase for the first time, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share. Hey guys, my name is Fiona and today I'm at Botanical Garden, guys. Come, let's go. Ingwa. That is ingwa. That is ingwa. Ginger, right? Right.
You forgot already.
Ooh, this is very sharp. This is very sharp. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, so beautiful. So beautiful. Guys, Munich has a secret. A hidden green paradise stuck right in the city. If you are not there, you are snoozing. There are over 14,000 plants from every corner of the world blooming together, looking all stunning, from delicate flowers and towering tropical trees to spiked cactus. Okay? And guys, with the bees and butterflies, they've been calling that place home since 1914. Offering quiet corners to wander, sparkling ponds to admire, sunlight streaming through leafy canopies. Guys, every step feels like a new discovery. The perfect spot to take a peaceful stroll, breathe deeply, snap, play, take photos for your feed. Guys, look at that. Look at that. This is so colorful. So guys, would you like to explore here? Would you like to see every secret corners? Would you like to linger in the longest? Tell me in the comment section. Very beautiful. Guys, if you are not in Botanical Garden, you are snoozing. Look how beautiful this place is. Oh my God. So guys, if you've gotten to this part, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be posting some of the one I actually did for my stories on YouTube Shorts. So go check all of that out. This place is so magnificent. Hey guys, if you're a lover of art, come, let me take you to the 5 Continent Museum. And stepping into the museum, even walking by the street already feels like home. Through the souls of the world, every gallery carried whispers from distant land: Africa, Asia, the Americas, Oceania, and Europe, all under one roof. I watch colors speak, sculpture breathe, fabrics tell stories of hands, that once shaped them. Some pieces felt familiar, like echoes from home. Others opened windows to places I've never been. It's more than a museum, it's a conversation across time, culture, and spirit. And as I moved from one continent to another, I realized we are all connected by the beauty. Guys, I saw Bini bronzes, Yoruba carving, Igbo pattern, echoes of identities that refuse to die. Standing there in Munich so far from where they were born, I felt pride and pain dancing together. It's strange to see beauty that was once stolen, now displayed behind glass, yet still powerful, still breathing. But in that moment, I chose to see strength, the resilience of a people who arts still speak across ocean and time. This wasn't just a visit, it was a reunion with history and a reminder that our story can never be erased. Guys, this place is a must visit because every artwork tells a story of home, of people who created beauty long before the world noticed. You can feel the pulse of Africa, every corner, the rhythm, the pain, the pride. It's more than art, it's the conversation between the past and the present. So if you are wanting to visit Germany, Munich precisely, it is a must for you to come here because it is very affordable and it all conglomeration of beauty, art, culture, and tribe. Hey guys, behind me is Macmillan Museum. I'm so sorry I didn't do my hi guys before I came. This is another day in the vlog. Look at that. So guys, I'm just ready with my outing today, and the weather is so cold. I'm running home. I actually wore this leather jacket, but it's not the right jacket because this time around, my friends, the winter will be so crazy, to be honest. So guys, I would have to measure my videos I've taken because I and a friend actually came to this museum, but I don't really know what happened. We only went to the gallery. We never knew they have 5 continents, Nigerian, Africa, South America, a lot. It was so interesting. I was like, whoa, I actually wasted €5 without having to see everywhere. But Sundays, it's only €1. How interesting. Oh, eyes on me, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Right, let's go. We're crossing the road. We are crossing the road. Guys, if you got into this part of my video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share. I will see you guys on another beautiful vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.